G8Keeper makes it really easy to configure and schedule MySQL database backup. If you want to be notified when the backup has been completed, you can turn the notification on for the same and you will be notified when the backup is completed. Not only that, G8Keeper, by default, also keeps track of backup size and plots a chart so that you can keep an eye on how the database size is growing over time. One point to note here is, G8Keeper uses MySQL command line to create database backup. So the server on which agent is running needs to have MySQL command line set up for backup to be done. On G8Keeper web interface, you need to navigate to Server Settings section. You can do that by clicking on Settings icon on Monitor Servers page. On the Server Setting page, navigate to Backup tab. In the Database Backup section, you will need to provide Schedule for database backup, and then database connection related details. You may want to create a database user that only has permission to take backup of the database and add that user's detail in the setting. Link on how to set up MySQL user is provided in video description. Once all the settings are added, you can click Schedule to schedule the database backup. With G8Keeper, you can store database backup in your own cloud storage space. We currently support Google Drive, Dropbox or AWS S3 bucket. You will need to configure Google Drive, Dropbox or AWS S3 bucket and then update the details in Backup Upload Path setting on the same tab. The links for setting up Google Drive, Dropbox or AWS S3 bucket is provided in the description section of the video. With G8Keeper you can save encrypted backups. For this you need to create private/public key pair. You need to place the public key on your server and provide path of that in encryption public key path. Once all the settings are correctly saved, G8Keeper takes backups at designated time and keeps track of all the backups. It also displays details of how the backup size is changing over time. Hope this video was helpful and you have been able to configure the database backup in G8Keeper. Thanks for watching.